This right here is the LimbSaw adapter piece. This is a Kubota adapter plate for my excavator, the KX040-4. Right here, Ben, if you can take a look, this says transfer punches. And what these are designed to do is to transfer from a slot or a hole to make a place to drill with right there. You capturing that, Ben? Mm-hmm. The size I got here, it's looks like, what does it say here? 17/32, but it's the largest one I have. And the goal is, if this is perfect, you're going to have a perfect center. And so we're going to use this size because it's the largest one and it's close. So the way these work, pointy end goes down. You got it, Ben? Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, now you should see a hole there, a indentation, not a hole. And we're going to do it here. There's one there. We're going to go to the upper two. And the last one here. Okay. There we go. So go ahead and stop recording for the moment. All right. We tapped out and transferred the holes in all these, and I'm going to show you. We're going to drill it out. What I bought was a 5/32 Irwin. It's 10x something faster starts. It's a bit that looks like this right here. Do you get a good close-up of that, Ben?
Yeah.
The bit, the tip.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to set this here and slowly start the 4 holes. There's one coming over here. Can you see where I'm going, Ben? There you go. I think go around that way so you can see how it looks, okay? Two. Three. Gosh, is that one right? Uh-oh. Let me get this one here. All right. There we go with the four holes. What I'm gonna do is just start drilling all the way through. Make a hole all the way through. Okay. Back enough to read it. Okay. These, excuse me, this is the Warrior Titanium. I got it at, I think, Tractor Supply, nothing special. The smaller bit goes to 7/8, and it comes up down here to, I think that's 1/4, so that would be like 1/3 of an inch. And what we're going to do is Ben's going to demonstrate how to drill out these 4 holes. I can't read what that is. That must be, that's about 5/16, maybe a little bit bigger. Alright, so Ben's going to demonstrate and drill out that first hole. Go ahead, Ben. Keep going. You're doing great. Alright, we got the first bolt in. The holes have all been drilled. Ben's going to put in the other ones. 2. Okay, 3. And then he's going to put in the 4th one. There, they all fit. Ben, go ahead and pull out that 4th one you put in. Alright. And we're going to need to find 2 sockets. So we're going to be right back with the right size socket. Alright, these appear to be 19 millimeters. Go ahead and put your bolt in. Where'd it go, Ben? It's in my hand. Never mind. Sorry, I'm not messing with you. I forgot it was in my hand. Go ahead and start that one on those. Matter of fact, go ahead and start all 4 of them. Okay? Alright, Ben has started the nuts on both sides. Go ahead and set that up vertically, Ben. Pick that up so it's vertical so we can get the 2 sides. There you go. Beautiful. Okay, these are the bolts with nuts with nylon on them. What we're going to do is to now tighten them all down with the most useful tool on the, I own 2 of these at each location because it's a beautiful thing. So Ben, we're going to start on this side. Okay, I'm holding it. You just squeeze the trigger until it stops spinning, okay?
Okay.
So, there you go. Right, perfect. Now we're going to move over to this one here. Hold on, Ben. Let me get a better look at the angle. Okay. Okay, Ben. Oh, you're going the right way. Sorry, my bad. Keep going, Ben. There you go. All right. Wow, I went backwards on you. Let's start over here. Go for it. Okay. And hold on, Ben. Let's see. Here's the last one. Go for it. Okay. All right. We do spin this one. This one is loose. Go ahead and set that back down on the back, Ben. And go ahead and install those two bolts right there. Okay, that's enough. And the next one. All right, that is that. So there is the mounting of the LimbSaw adapter plate on the Rhinox adapter plate. Thanks for watching. Thanks, man.
Yeah.